when it comes to communicating with other people and expressing yourself, what so many of us do is we withhold and hold things back and hold things in. And what this does is it leads to a suppression, a build up, an accumulation, a bottled in pressure tank of emotions. It could be anger turning to rage, it could be frustration turning to anger, it could be like sadness turning to like despair and deeper sadness, or depression and hopelessness, etc., etc., etc. So, in my opinion, and this also even applies to, let's say, like friendships, where like instead of saying oh, "I love you and appreciate you so much," you kind of like not really saying much, you know. But what I've found is it's better to say stuff and practice and just say stuff, express yourself, say some things, and if it comes out wrongly or weirdly or badly, well, then you just say a bit more to say, "Oh, that sounded a bit weird. I didn't mean it meant this freak. Didn't mean to sound like freaking out," or you know what I'm saying. For example, it's really important to be authentic and to live true to ourselves without fear of the pressure of expectation of how society or other people expect us, our gender, or like how we're supposed to behave, or how we're supposed to be based on our age, or our job, or our title, or where, whatever the case may be, you know. So, for example, like the other day, I wanted to really meet my friend, and she didn't know that I was waiting on her. I was waiting on her to finish work outside of the shop because she said she's finishing in a few minutes. But I didn't actually properly ask her to arrange like to meet her, and I missed the chance. I kind of like, ooh, I let it slide, and then she went in. I was talking to someone else close by, and I probably should have asked. I thought she may have been finishing right there and then, or something like that, you know. So instead of going away and like my tail tucked in between my legs, like, oh, I failed, I missed the opportunity. Oh well. I decided to wait around for her to come out after work. You know, she didn't know I was there, so it was like I was like hanging around, loitering, and I was living to my heart. Like what my heart really wanted was to spend some time with her and like hang out for a few minutes, like 10, 15 minutes or whatever else, whatever the case may be. It could be longer, it could be less. And I just said like, I hope it's okay. Like I don't mean to be like, can't remember like acting like a stalker or like, hanging around waiting or something like that, without even properly arranging. And she said it's fine. Like she's happy to like do that, to meet her, spend some time together. And it actually worked out amazingly well because she wanted to go home early, and it just so happened that my friend was nearby in his car waiting for me. And then I said, "Hey, listen, my friend would like love to give you a lift home because the next bus was 50 minutes later, and her walk home was like over an hour." So she had to have like a call or like do stuff at home. So, and she was a bit tired, so it meant she didn't have to walk, and she got home quickly. So, and then I saw a synchronistic YouTube video later, channeled by the Acturians, um, fifth dimensional Acturians, or something like that, um, talking about like how it's truly imperative not to live in fear, but to be true to yourself from your heart. Be yourself, be authentic, be genuine, be sincere. And for me, I was even selling to this lovely my friend. Before this, I was saying like, like I just, what's most important to me is to just be honest and sincere. Like just, back in the day, I would have been shy, afraid, or embarrassed to look weird or be rejected or to seem strange or just to do something unusual or not like normal, that type of thing. Because this is the second time I've done that lately. But at the end of the day, it's as simple as then another person saying, "Hey, listen, I really prefer if you don't wait for me," and then we say, "Okay, I'll do something different, or we can arrange something different if we still want to make different arrangements." So at the end of the day, a lot of us make behaviors based on fear. We hold in because of fear, but it's so much better to express. I think it's better to say a little too much than too little, because too little leaves so many things unanswered and unclear. But by saying a bit, even if it comes out wrong, you can then say a bit more to clear it up and make things crystal clear. It's very important to make things crystal clear, my friends. It really is. And then it's awesome. Then we understand and we're happy. We live from the heart. We can negotiate, communicate, and make little alterations in what we want to collaborate or do and co-create in life. So there's a beautiful blue sky, everyone. This is in Ireland. So my name is Owen. It's been a pleasure to like talk to you and connect with you. So thanks very much. And lots of love and have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching.